Hi everyone, Darko here for your weekly trade example. We took this trade last Friday. Okay, let's hear what I had to say about this trade and I will talk you through it. Pound yen. Pound yen is a tricky pair to trade. Okay, so if you watch the yearly chart, we are at this level, and this level has been holding for like since 2009. Okay, you might be rolling your eyes, oh geez, here we go again. The yearly chart, like who the heck is watching the yearly chart? Well, I do. So we are at a level where price could give you a deeper retracement. So I have that in the back of my head. Okay, so any trades I took, I would say hands-on, even though you are trading in alignment with the weekly trend, I would say hands-on anyway because of where we are on a yearly level. So when you are trading in alignment with the so-called trend, natural stop, pending order entry. We didn't have any natural stops, so wait for an extra confirmation, and that extra confirmation, we have that right now. So this is one of the patterns that we are trading. You see how price never closed below this level? It's not a coincidence. Once we close below that level, we never close above it. Once we close above it, we went, and now we have a swing break. This looks very, very juicy for an entry in here with a low stop loss aiming to the upside. Let's see how things goes. I would say hands-on because of what I just saw on a yearly chart. There you go. So I talked about the yearly chart and expressed my consideration about we might be doing for a due for a deeper retracement. And I also say the trend is up on monthly and weekly. We actually made a higher close. Price is retracing back into a level of support, which is a very strong level. We waited for that extra confirmation, and we got that extra confirmation. And let me just grab my pen for you. We got filled in here. Okay, this was a stop loss, as I said, when price was somewhere in here, and price moved from that area. So if I take my roller in here, just give me one sec, and make this bigger, and the entry was in here obviously, and the stop loss was in here, which is 54 plus 25, like let's see, a 64, 74, let's just say 80. Okay, for the simplicity of this example, and price went up like over 100 pips. So this can never ever be a losing trade. Okay, so this was another trade we took, and obviously this is another winning trade, and that was pointed out in advance, pending order. And what I introduced this week, okay, was I've been drilling an approach for like a very long time now, and I had to force myself, like, hey, can you write down that approach in a checklist form base? And that's exactly what I did. I introduced that checklist to my paying clients today, and that checklist will be drilled every PMA. Okay, so every trade I take, I will just show that checklist, and if you're like a struggling trader, this will be everything you need to know to make this happen for you. Okay, so I'm looking very much forward to drilling that checklist, and if you are struggling with your trading, maybe, just maybe, this is the right service for you, when I'm actually showing you a checklist based an approach. I'm also drilling that approach in every single PMA. Obviously you guys and girls have been hearing me pointing out trades way in advance, way before we get filled, and with some, I would say, with some okay results. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you so do, give me a thumbs up. You will encourage me to do more of these videos for you, and you will hear from me soon. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Cheers.